This week on the Best Stuff Finder, I tested this 4K camera from SixBonds. This camera records up to 80 minutes of footage per charge. It has 128 gigabytes of internal storage and is one of the simplest cameras to operate I have ever used. There are only two buttons on the front of the camera. One turns Wi-Fi on and off, and the other one is the power button. If you hold the power button down for about 3 seconds, it turns the camera on and off, and if you just press it, it starts and stops recording. Now, one of the most convenient features of this camera that few people are mentioning is that the back is magnetic. This allows you to attach it to any metal surface. I attached it to the door in my workshop on the side of my van, and it held up great. That being said, I was surprised at how many mounts are included inside the package. It comes with a couple of helmet mounts, you get a handlebar mount, you get tripod mounts, there's multiple GoPro style adapters, there's even a magnetic lanyard if you want to wear this thing around your neck. The two most convenient mounts, in my opinion, are this GoPro style adapter, which allows you to connect it directly to any tripod, and this clip-on mount, which you can use to attach to a backpack strap, or, and I've always wanted to try this, put it on the brim of your hat. Also inside the box, you'll find a small rechargeable docking station. Now, this docking station can keep the camera running for up to 6.5 hours, and then to recharge it, all you do is connect it with the USB cable to your computer. Now, while it's connected to your computer, all you have to do is drop the camera magnetically inside the docking station, and it will show up as a drive letter on your computer. That will allow you to drop and drag all your footage over to your computer. Now, if you want to do this over Wi-Fi, you could do that as well. You'll need to download and install the app and then configure the app and the camera to use your Wi-Fi network. Now, this thing costs about 1/5 the price of a GoPro, and there's two reasons why. Number one, it is not waterproof, so the manual says do not use this when it's raining. But the big reason is that it doesn't have image stabilization. Now, image stabilization is what allows things like GoPros to take smooth footage when they are in motion. So if you're using this and you're moving the camera around a lot, expect jerky video. That being said, I was able to record some pretty good looking footage with this camera. It's great for shooting video outdoors, and it's also really good at setting off to the side if you're doing YouTube videos and want to capture B-roll. It also has a loop recording feature, which means it would work really well for a miniature security camera. Overall, the Best Stuff Finder gives this thumb-sized 4K camera from SixBonds 1 thumbs up.